Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are covering some of the biggest business stories that make headlines today. From Kirloskar Oil, Engineers Data Center Opportunity, and ONGC Energy Shift, SABI reforms, upcoming Reliance Jio IPO, and some important updates for investors and taxpayers. So let's begin. First story is about the Kirloskar Oil engine that hits 20% upper circuit today. Yes, the stock was one of the biggest moves today as it hits 20% upper circuit after the company received a major 192 megawatt data center related order. The reason investors are excited is simple. AI data centers require huge amount of reliable power infrastructure and companies supply backup and energy solution are expected to benefit from this growing demand. The order has brought fresh attention to the company's growth potential in data center infrastructure space. Now let's move to the next story. Moving to the energy sector, ONGC is seeing a major change in its business mix. Natural gas production has started becoming a bigger part of the company's output compared to the crude oil, pushing ONGC towards a major gas focusing strategy. This reflects the engine changing energy landscape in India where natural gas is gaining importance as demand for the cleaner fuel option increases. Now, the next story is about the SEBI. Yes, bring the major market reforms in mutual funds, buybacks, alternative investment funds, and other areas. Their goal is to simplify the regulations, improve transparency, and make the market environment more efficient for companies and investors. Now, one of the biggest corporate stories for today is about the investors are watching the Reliance Jio as our biggest opportunity of this year. Yes, the listing is expected around October to November 2026, and the market discussion suggests a possible valuation of up to $128 billion. dollars. While many investors see this as a major value unlocking opportunity for the Reliance shareholders, some brokerages are debating whether the IPO will create immediate value or mainly strengthen the Geo's long term deep tech and digital positioning. Meanwhile, in the global technology news, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella has raised concern about the future of AI. He warned that the world computing power and artificial intelligence economy should not be controlled by only the few companies. His comments comes around growing discussion around the influence of the major AI players and the need for more open and accessible AI ecosystem. Next story is from the defense sector. Yes, in the defense sector, Garden Reach shipbuilders and engineers are in focus today. The company received Navratna status from the government, after which its shares gained around 5%. The status gives GRSE more financial and operational freedom, allowing the warship manufacturer to take bigger decisions and expand its business more efficiently. Now, finally, the news is about the taxpayers. Taxpayers needs to be more careful while filing income tax returns. This year, the income tax department is increasing using artificial intelligence tools to identify mismatch and missing information. Even the small mistakes such as the unreported interest income or capital gain could trigger the automated alerts and the taxpayers should carefully file and verify their details before submitting any returns. Another important update is from the manufacturing sector. Yes, the Amber Enterprises, the company, is expanding beyond its traditional consumer electronic business, moving deeper into the smartphone manufacturing. Through its partnership with Oppo India, Amber is targeting India's larger scale production, including the millions of smartphone units, which could strengthen the India's local electronic supply chain. So, these were the major business updates you need to know today. From AI infrastructure, digital business to manufacturing energy and market reforms, these developments show how quickly different sectors are changing. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and I will see you in the next update.